Hello students, today we are study about the Coulomb's law. This Coulomb's law is also known as the laws of electric force. According to Coulomb's law, we know that two similar charges repels and any two dissimilar charges attract each other. जहाँ पर दो समान आवेश होंगे वहाँ पर विकर्षण होगी और जहाँ पर असमान आवेश होगा वहाँ पर आकर्षण होगी. This law, the Coulomb's law, depends upon nature of the medium, distance between two charges and magnitude of two charges. यह माध्यम के पर डिपेंड करता है, दो चार्जेज के बीच की दूरी पर डिपेंड करता है और दोनों चार्जेज के अमाउंट पर डिपेंड करता है. तो Coulomb's stated two laws, first and second. First laws is as दो आवेशों के बीच आकर्षण या प्रतिकर्षण का बल उन आवेशों के गुणनफल का समानुपाती होता है. There are the force of attraction and repulsion between two charges is directly proportional to the product of the charges. And second laws of the Coulomb's is दो आवेशों के बीच आकर्षण या प्रतिकर्षण का बल आवेशों के बीच के दूरी के वर्ग का व्युत्क्रमानुपाती होता है. दो आवेशों के बीच लगने वाले बल उन आवेशों के बीच के दूरी के बल के व्युत्क्रमानुपाती होता है. The force of attraction and repulsion is inversely proportional to the square of distance between two charges. We have read about the two laws, that is, one is F vary as Q1, Q2. This is first law, and F vary as 1 by R square. This is the second law of Coulomb. Now I am going to discuss about how this F vary as Q1 by Q1 into Q2 are expressed and F vary as 1 by R square is expressed. According to this diagram, there is A and B, the 2 points where Q1 and Q2 charges are situated. Both A and B, the Q1 and Q charges are at the distance R, and on Q F force is acting and Q force on F force is acting. There is similar force acting on both the charges. Now according to The first law, the force of attraction and repulsion is directly proportional to the product of their charges. According to this law, suppose F force is acting between the two charges. There are hence, according to first law, F force directly proportional to the products of two charges. Therefore, F vary as Q1 and Q2. This is the first law. Here we establish this law, and according to the first law, F, the similar acting force, the similar electric force acting between the 2 points A and B, acting between the two charges Q1 and Q2. According to second laws, we have discussed on this diagram AB दो पॉइंट्स हैं जिन पर Q1 और Q2 चार्जेज हैं और दोनों चार्जेज एक दूसरे से r डिस्टेंस पर स्थित है. There are 2 points A and B on which Q1 and Q2 charges is situated, and both the charges are difference by the r, where F acting force act between attraction and repulsion between the Q1 and Q2 charges. Therefore, according to second law, it stated that दो आवेशों के बीच आकर्षण या प्रतिकर्षण का बल उन आवेशों के बीच के दूरी के वर्ग का व्युत्क्रमानुपाती होता है. It can be stated as also the force of attraction and repulsion is inversely proportional to the square root of their distance. So, if distances are between A and B, then acting force is inversely proportional to the square of distance. Hence, it may be write as F vary as 1 by r square. This is second law. Now, jointly when we stated the law of Coulomb, the laws of electric force, then it is as, listen and be attentive for this conjugated law of electric force, that is Coulomb law. Two charges, conjugated law कहता है कि दो आवेशों के बीच लगने वाले आकर्षण या प्रतिकर्षण के बल उन आवेशों के गुणनफल और उसके बीच के दूरी के वर्ग के अनुपात के समानुपाती होता है. And it may also stated as the acting force between the two charges is directly proportional to the ratio of product of their charges and their distance square. So when we take equation first and second, then it may write as F vary as Q1 Q2 upon R square, or F equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square, where K is constant, the value of K depends upon nature of the medium. मीडियम के नेचर पर डिपेंड करता है कि मीडियम कैसा है, सॉलिड है, लिक्विड है, या गैसेस स्टेट में है, या हर मीडियम को एक साथ क्वालिफाई करता है, इस पर डिपेंड करता है के का मान. एंड नाउ आई एम ऑल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट इफ के is derived from this situation, then it may write as F into R square upon Q1 and Q2. Q1 and Q2. Any dot here, cross multiply by R square, and F and Q1 Q2 is divide both the relation, that is equal to K. or K equal to 1 by 4 pi. 1 by 4 pi epsilon into F R square upon Q1 Q2, where K equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r is F R square upon Q1 and Q2, because epsilon that is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r, that value is placed here, Q epsilon naught and epsilon r in place of epsilon. This epsilon is permittivity. विद्युतशीलता, परमिटिविटी है ये. नाउ the SI unit of value of this equation, fourth, unit of K, constant of law of electric force. Here we write K equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon not ER, not epsilon R is, here the relation F, SI unit of F is N R square, that is M square upon Qn and Q2, that is SI SI unit of F is N, R is M, and the charge is Coulomb. Therefore, here Coulomb into Coulomb, that is charge into charge, that is Coulomb square. That is Coulomb square. So, if we take the SI unit of K, then we write Nm square C minus 2. One by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r is constant term. So it is, so no any unit, no any unit. In this relation, epsilon naught permittivity of the vacuum epsilon naught equal to 8.84 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square per Nm square. 8.84 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square Nm square. And ER, that is 1 in vacuum between two charges. Between two charges. So therefore, we also know about from where this value is come in front of us. The unit of epsilon naught is C square upon Nm square. This is also known as Faraday per meter, means epsilon naught unit also known as Faraday meter, and C square upon Nm square is Faraday per meter. This is also known as F m इनवर्स, फर्मी पर मीटर। इसको हम फर्मी पर मीटर के नाम से भी जानते हैं। According to the law of electric force, that is Coulomb force, you have already know about the इन कंजुगेटेड फॉर्म कि जब दो आवेशों के बीच लगने वाले कोई बल F होता है तो F उन आवेशों के गुणनफल और दूरी के रेशियो के सीधा समानुपाती होते हैं, सीधा समानुपाती होते हैं, या यह कह सकते हैं कि द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एंड रिपल्शन बिटवीन टू चार्जेज इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द रेशियो ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ चार्जेज एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन the both charges. Hence we come to know about how to derive the Coulomb's law and how to derive the law of electric force, and also this laws is applicable as per the value of epsilon naught, the value of epsilon and value of epsilon r. Value of epsilon naught is the permittivity, and value of epsilon naught is also known as Faraday per meter, that is C square by Nm square बराबर Faraday per meter F inverse M inverse, that is Fermi per meter. That is the today class. Now this class is also on testing the next previous day, and you are already study and remember it for the next coming class, in which we test you and the all कि how to study and how are your study and preparation of the online classes. This class help you. If you are study deeply, then it help you more and more. You also showing an appearance of a teacher behind you that express the law, Coulomb law and electric force. So thanking you